Hmm. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's go fishing. Time to get the SS Minnow out. There she is, in all her glory. It's not much, but it's a perfect fishing boat, and that's what we're taking today. Hey guys, Daryl with the Allegheny Mine Living Channel. Well, we're out on a county lake today with the SS Minnow. I have a fellow fisher person, Destiny, with me. See if we can get on some trout or something. They stalk this lake pretty heavy. They just stalked it on Friday the 22nd, so we figured nice day we'd come out here and see what we could get into. It's the first time I've had the boat out this year. Sure is a nice day anyhow. This is just a small lake. Here, I'll show you around. Breast is up there. There's a lot of people fishing the shore. Geese are all hanging out. Thought there'd be a lot more boats out today, but there's not a whole lot. Most of the people are out on the shore fishing. Saw another golden rainbow a little while ago. Yeah. See if we can't hook something. First fish of the day. Give me the net. Give me the net. Yeah, we got a nice perch. Bring him over.
I think he's dead.
Oh, that's a pretty one. Got some grass with them.
Yeah, I know. Because you let me put my line down. That little dude was putting up a fight.
Nice fish.
I don't think I ever had so much difficulty getting a fish. Aww, so pretty. Aww,
Very pretty.
did I break his mouth?
Destiny owes me $5 because she said we wouldn't catch any fish today.
Stop screaming. Oh, he's mad. Yeah.
Come on, buddy, let go. Oh, sorry.
Oh, don't let the fish die.
Come here.
Oh, you did what you did.
Get that nice perch.
watching a video.
Darn it.
Stop letting the fish.
I'm trying to let him go without him stabbing me.
I've got stabbed by a fish before. It wasn't pleasant.
There you go, buddy. First fish of the day. We caught a nice perch. Fish on. I don't know what it is. Ah. There we go. Look at that nice color. Nope. Barely hooked him. Another good one. That's Junior here's exhaust. Pretty fish. Okay, we got another fish on. What is it? What is it, a crappie? Some fish. Here, bring him back around and I'll unhook him for you. Look at the nice color on him. Perfect hook set, bud. Look at this yellow body. Pretty fish. Pretty fish ready to spear me right in the hand. Worm's still alive. Nice color. Uh-oh. Come on, buddy. There he goes. There he goes. Nope. He had a good hook on him. Wasn't through the... He didn't swallow it. Hey, boys. They're out enjoying the lake today, too. They're so used to fishermen and boats, they don't care. Yeah, look, he's kicking around in the dirt over there looking for stuff to eat. See him? This one here. See his feet moving under there? That's a big goose. Just hanging out. Better get moving over before we get in these stumps. Alright, what's this one? What do we got here? Not what I was hoping for. Another yellow belly. Kind of swallowed it, buddy. Think we'll get you out of there, though. Oh no! I lost my hook. There you go, buddy. Broke my stinking line. Where are all these perch? We just saw a really nice golden rainbow over this way. Unfortunately, I don't have the anchor with us today, and the wind is so bad. All I've been doing is using up battery power with the trolling motor. So that one perch was the only one we caught so far. I was hoping we could stay on that school. It didn't work out. Peaceful, isn't it? Fish on. Oh, hey, it's a little perch. Look at that. Second perch. Cool. Not big, but he's a perch. Cool. That's the only problem with this lake.
It's weird that I used to
See these stumps?
I used to go on YouTube when I was little, and all I was lost was micro monitors.
They're everywhere. Water's pretty clear. I'm getting a bite. Fish on. Why do I think it's a yellow belly? I must be psychic. That's about the smallest one yet. Well, I think that's about it for this one. It's almost 6 o'clock. About time to hang it up for the day and head for home. We had a pretty good day though. Destiny caught a nice perch. Caught one crappie, or crappie if you're a viewer from the south. And a bunch of yellow bellies. There's no shortage of them in here, but well, at least we caught some fish. No trout though. That's okay. Appreciate you guys coming along for our fishing trip today. First trip out with the SS Minnow for the year. I want to say thanks to all the new subscribers. Appreciate all the support. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below in the reply comment section. If you want to receive future updates, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram at Allegheny_mountain_living. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. And until next time, have a good evening.